Hello, my name is Chris. Welcome back to Learn British English Free on YouTube. This lesson is about vocabulary and meanings of marital status in the UK. I thought it might be interesting and some cultural things as well. Please look for notes in the description or enable captions, subtitles in English to read along to understand more clearly. This is normal. You might choose one when you have to fill in a form in the UK. We often say fill in rather than fill out. Let's start with single. This is a bit confusing. In an official document, single means you're not married. You've never been married. So it's different. If I say I'm single, this means that I'm single. I am not in a relationship at all. But in an official form, the meaning is a little bit different. Maybe you're single, maybe you're in a relationship, but you're not married. But on the form, you're in a relationship, but you're still single because legally they don't care about your relationship or whatever's going on. The next one is marriage, or you're married. I'm sure you know what this is. In the UK, same-sex marriage has been legal since March 2014. That might be different to some other countries. I'm sure it is. Similar to marriage, civil partnerships. These are legal arrangements designed to give mainly same-sex couples the same recognition as marriage. Civil partnered. You're in a civil partnership. Another legal thing. You can be married or civil partnered whilst you're separated. Now, the next option will be divorced. The difference between separated and divorced is again to do with the law. Separated, you're still legally married. Maybe you live apart from the spouse. Spouse means husband or wife. It's the general term, spouse. So the man has a spouse, it means his wife. The wife has a spouse, it means her husband. Spouse, another new word maybe. So we have separated and then divorced. This means that legally you've signed the forms and you've paid the money to the lawyers and you're free, you're divorced, lucky you. Finally, widowed. A widow is a woman whose husband has died, but she's alive. And a widower is a man who's alive, but his wife has died, sadly. And widows or widowers can also be surviving civil partners. There we go. Some vocabulary. I hope a little bit of culture too, because the law will be different in many other countries regarding these things. It might be interesting. Thank you for watching. Sorry, I'm not making too many lessons at the moment. It's a difficult time for various reasons, but I will keep going. I have another one planned soon. So please keep tuned to Learn British English Free on YouTube and the Facebook pages, on Instagram, on everywhere else, really. Send me a message, write me a comment if you want. My name's Chris. I always love to hear from you, and I hope everything's going well with your English. Thanks again for your time. See you soon. Goodbye.